Good morning, 511. We're in the mid-50s right now, and it has been business as usual this whole week. Two words would describe the forecast: sunny and warm. That has been it. But for the weekend, 8 different things are going to be tossed into the mix. A bit of a wild card this weekend, and the question is, when are they all going to happen? Everything from clear skies to showers, warm, cold, dry, overcast, clear, windy. We're expecting a little bit of everything, so let's just time out the weekend. Here we go. Here are the variables, top of your screen. We'll pick out what we need for each day to make this weekend work, and we'll start with today for our Friday. Again, been crystal clear and sunny and warm all week long, so let's just keep that going. We'll pull in the warm, dry, and clear, and we'll shoot for the low 80s today. Wall-to-wall sunshine, but look, as we go into tomorrow, clouds gradually will be on the increase, as will the wind. We'll start off clear, but late in the day, pushing late afternoon toward the evening, a chance for showers, maybe even a thunderstorm. Will be on the overcast side. We'll still make it up to 80 by the afternoon. Then Sunday, slight chance we could see a brief shower early in the morning. It'll be a lot cooler by the afternoon thanks to the cool front that brings in all that rain. We'll only be in the low 70s for our highs on Sunday, gradually clearing through the end of the day, pushing out of our weekend with ample sunshine once again. And the sunshine and warmth going to continue for today. Again, tomorrow being the day where all the variables we're not used to in the past week kind of creep back into the forecast. Not a cloud in the sky over the Midwest right now. Off to the northwest, they are still getting snow. Places will be seeing between a good 3 and 6 inches of snow today on top of what they've already seen in the past few days. So our first winter storm has already hit. Thankfully, it's up in the Rockies, so it's not that unusual for this time of the year. But the system giving that snow is actually what's going to creep toward us. High pressure has been settled right over us all day long, all week long. Almost 2 weeks of high pressure. That's pushing off to our east now. When it does so, it'll allow this cool front to move in again late tomorrow into the overnight, and maybe even a few showers very early on Sunday is the timing for our rain. So it will be right in the middle of your weekend, but if you have plans Saturday morning, even early afternoon, good to go. If you have plans late Sunday, good to go as well. 55 right now in Rockford. Temps in the mid-50s everywhere you look except for Lake Geneva at 42, but 54 in Freeport, 55 in Monroe. Comfortable up to 80s this afternoon, low 80s. Tonight, upper 50s for lows, comfortable one again. And then tomorrow, we'll still crack the 80s, then the cool front moves on in and will drop the temperatures for the end of the weekend. Today's weather kid is Caitlin. Her birthday is tomorrow. She is from Rockford, so happy early birthday. 81 today, patchy fog in some spots this morning, but nothing like yesterday. Tonight, 57. Tomorrow, 80s, and then that chance for rain late in the day, but we return to sun for next week.
All right, looking forward to that sun, not so much the rain. Thanks, Greg.